Hey man, I really could not believe it. I took yesterday off just kind of enjoying the Saturday, and I'm really frustrated I didn't drop a video yesterday. That's on me, guys, but I had to come up on here on YouTube today and talk about another grail that turned into quote unquote bricks. You guys know people love to call shoe bricks if nobody feeling no more, but y'all missing the point, bro. This is a fire pair of Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards, and I did not have a near the opportunity to get these back in the day, so I'm happy to have these in the collection. But we gotta chop it about it, man. Grails to bricks. Hey, we gotta chop it up. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy The Vintage, man. It's always greatly appreciated for you guys to come pull up, see what we talking about. And again, we got to do a recap about the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please, man, run them likes up for your boy The Vintage. Every single like counts. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and it ultimately helps the channel grow. So I need everybody, man, show some love, show some support, drop some comments. We got a lot to talk about, man. All right, so today, man, we got some crazy Kobe Day restocks. I seen some What the Kobe's. I seen all types of the Halo joints. It was a whole bunch of Kobe's that did release in like 3 separate phases. So if you guys hit on anything from the Kobe restock on Nike sneakers for Kobe Day 824, please let me know in the comment section. Super interested in knowing, man, who's still going out there buying Kobe's. For me, it's only like some staple Kobe's I would like to have in the collection. Of course, the What Does and a couple, you know, ones and twosies. But something I do feel like they could bring back out soon is the undefeated Kobe joints, that Kobe pack. That would just set it up, you know, set it on top. That would just be perfect. So hopefully we do see that. But if you guys did cop anything, let me know in the comment section, man. And what we here to talk about today, man, the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards. Again, I don't know why people was sleeping on it. Again, you know, when you take away something being limited, when you take away a hype away from a shoe, people try to diminish the sneaker. And I wish I had my camera yesterday, you know what I'm saying? I was in the mall chopping over a couple of people and they said, yo, they should have never released them again. They should have kept them in the vault. I'm like, yo, you probably don't even have these in the collection, because back in the day, they were almost impossible to obtain if you didn't have a plug or you weren't just locked in, you know what I'm saying? But the box is super dope. The presentation was super crazy. And, you know, this is just one thing to throw it on top from the 20, when they released again? This box tops the original joint, you know what I'm saying? So they gave us a dope box. And, of course, they stay consistent with the leather quality. And I seen a bunch of pairs yesterday in the mall, and all the pairs seem really consistent. I've been hearing people say it's not like the first pair again. I don't even remember what the first pair looked like in hand. I just know it has some crazy leather quality, and everybody called it, you know, where it was like a statement, you know what I'm saying? If it don't got leather, shattered backboard leather, I don't want it. But these right here, the leather is super crazy all the way around this pair right here, man. But again, this shoe is going for like $1,000, bro. Almost $1,000. And now you can get these joints for under retail, and they're still currently sitting in a bunch of spots that I visited yesterday. And I'm not even worried about the shoe sitting. I just hate when people be like, oh, this shoe is a brick. Oh, this shoe's trash. But in the whole grand scheme of things, I know Nike wanted to have that same impact as they did have back in the day, but it did not translate because, again, we're getting a bunch of releases this year, bro. What? We getting undefeated 4s. We getting Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics. The list goes on and on. You guys know how stacked this year has been. So when you drop a shoe like this, in between all those releases, the Wake Jordan 5s, the undefeated 4s, people are going to put this one to the back burner. But it's still a super dope pair of Air Jordan 1s. Probably top 3 for me all time. Again, I always had this in high regards to Shattered Backboards. I always wanted them. That's why I got the Starfish one of those. That's why I got the Shattered Backboard 2.0s, the 3.0s. But I needed to have these joints right here. Again, some little slight differences in the colors. But again, I checked out, you know, the Flu Game 12s. Some other sneakers that are re-released this year, Ferrari 14s. And it seemed like the newer pairs, the color's a little bit more duller. I think that's the right word to put. It's not as vibrant as the older pairs that released, you know, about 6-7 years ago. But again, man, you get the point. It's the Shattered Backboards. The quality's still excellent. The leather is impeccable, you know what I'm saying? Impeccable leather quality. And just the presentation overall, man, it was there, bro. It was definitely there. And again, I can't believe we got people in 2025 hating on the Shattered Backboards. Like, I just know if I would unbox them saying, oh, I spent $1,000 on a shoe, they'll be like, oh man, that's super dope. It's a Shattered Backboards. But now that you can get in front of retail, yo, it's crickets. It's crickets, and it's just disrespectful, man. Y'all disrespecting a classic Jordan 1 colorway. Like, this is, I'm honestly saying, this is probably, prior to this release, let's say we didn't even get word that we getting these again, and we just talking about the Shattered Backboards. I'm pretty sure a lot of people can attest to this. It's probably a top 5 or top 3 non-OG colorway. Like, it's definitely up there in my honest opinion, man. But again, man, I'm checking on StockX, I'm checking on GOAT, I'm even checking on sneakers. If I was y'all, I would get them on sneakers if they still have your size. I think it's a couple sizes, onesies and twosies still on the sneakers app. But again, of course, those pairs are going to start going. They're going to start selling out. You're going to start not seeing them here within the next couple days because, you know, Nike, they're infamous for taking shoes off their sneakers out for one. They probably distribute it to like Nike outlets and stuff like that. But again, man, if you passed on it for now, that's cool. But please do not say these joints is bricks. Don't say they trash. This is fire, bro. But I can honestly say, man, these definitely flop. And when I say they flop, again, I'm talking about earlier in the video, I said Nike wanted these to have the same impact as they did back in the day. And it's not the case. It wasn't the same, you know, hype behind them, which is kind of crazy. But that's just how it's been, bro. Like most of the retros of some of these colorways, people have been trying to say, oh man, it ain't the OGs, it ain't the first pair that dropped, so I don't want them. And that definitely happened for these. I can't say that for the Reimagined Vibes. I can't say that about the Bread 1 High 85. Like, you know, certain releases like that still had that good impact. And I would definitely say that these right here are still going to be a lot of people's top 10 sneaker pickups of the year, because this is like a holy grail, bro. Like, y'all remember, don't switch up. Don't switch up, man. But I appreciate all love and support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Right now, we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, man. Please run them likes up for your boy, DaVinci. Need everybody to run them likes up. And yeah, we got so much content on the way. We got so many things to unbox. It's gonna be a good week, and I need y'all to stick around and stay tuned for all the content that we do have to drop, man. So with all that's being said, again, thank y'all for the support. I love you guys, and stay tuned for these next couple of videos. We got some bangers, bro. We got some bangers, man. Catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.